Right then, let's get our Deerstalker on and begin our investigation into one of project management's greatest mysteries. It's a classic whodunit, isn't it? The team is flat out, the budget's tight, yet the deadline is always just out of reach. To solve this, we need a special tool. It's called value stream mapping, and it's basically our magnifying glass for spotting all the clues that everyone else misses. Okay, let's dive into this. Every good detective starts by examining the scene, and for us, that means mapping out a typical UK public sector IT project. So here's our evidence log. We've documented every single step, how long the actual work takes, and, this is the crucial part, how long it's just sat there, waiting. Now, what's really interesting is when you actually visualize the data. The time spent waiting is more than double the time spent actually working. And that is our smoking gun. Just let that sink in. A staggering 69% of the total time from request to delivery is spent doing, well, absolutely nothing of value. The game is afoot. So where is all this time disappearing? Well, it's time to line up the usual suspects. The 8 wastes of lean. These are the villains of our story, the culprits responsible for murdering your deadlines. You've got everything from waiting in queues to endless rework. Now that we've identified the culprits, we can design a future state, a brand new process that locks them out for good. By introducing some pretty simple fixes, like parallel approvals and limiting the work in progress, just look what happens to the waiting times. They've been completely slashed. And this really illustrates the result of our investigation, doesn't it? We've managed to cut the total lead time nearly in half just by focusing on the flow. The really crucial point here is that we achieved a massive 48% improvement without spending an extra quid or hiring a single new person. It's elementary, my dear project manager. Right, let's move on and see how this all builds towards what you need to know for that all-important PMP exam. Now, don't get caught out. If the exam question you're looking at mentions time, waste, and improving the end-to-end flow, the answer is VSM, not just a standard process map. So, if you spot these clues in a question, you know exactly which tool you need to reach for to solve the case. And if you take away one thing from all this, let it be this. VSM proved the team wasn't slow, the system was. Cracking the case was all about improving the process, not blaming the people.